Hi.
Oh, like just so people come and everything cleaning. But this is super like
Hey guys, it's your lady Shine Francis Odige Osemigi, aka Ijelo Nomose Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness. Yes, I'm out here with my kids. They're done with exams. And Joshi is here. Joshi is here.
my cake. Mommy, that is on the baby girl also so can you? Both of she's said it to us.
Who is the from the floor? I don't have copyright to the background song.
Let's get that thing. I know.
I'm a baby in my vibes. I'm a baby in my vibes.
I heard it's long. My baby is big.
Yeah, it's someone's special birthday today. Princess Omonomose one of Belgium. Today is her birthday. She's very special, an amazing queen, a special personality, a beautiful soul, a lady with a beautiful heart, a golden heart, a humanitarian. Princess Omonomose one of Belgium. Happy celebration to you, darling. Age gracefully. Now more than Joshua. Come and say happy birthday to Princess.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Princess Omonomose one of Belgium. We love you. Love you. Where's your drink, Kiddo? While we are here to start, Joshi is already done with his drink. Where's your snacks? Where's your snack? I'm not eating it. The cake is not sweet. Is the cake not sweet?
It's sweetie.
Why are you not eating it? Okay, you want to keep it. You want to keep it for later.
Need to do that now.
Yeah, I was actually dressed for a pool. The pool we went to, they said
I like her.
we have not refilled the water.
Come on. Keep on this.
So we have to shift our pool,
This is my cellophane now.
our swimming for another day. We have to shift our swimming to another day, like Friday, we'll be going swimming.
This is sad. It's not cellophane now. Let's do.
What's in my background?
Okay. Carry your cellophane and go. Laugh. That's it. Let's kill out that. No. How's that? No, not that. And the end, that's what
Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Yeah,
To show
take a
them
drink,
that you
kiddo.
want to eat your can. Never a dull moment in this case. Never a dull
It's
moment.
get that sing it all. No, it's boy. It's get. See. It's the get that dance. Where is there?
She's dancing.
It's brother singing. When she's brother singing. When she's brother singing.
Let's do it.
If the this guy is not song because she just
So once again, happy birthday, happy glorious birthday to an amazing queen, a wonderful personality, a humble creature, a humanitarian, Princess Omonomose I of Belgium. Princess Omonomose I of Belgium. Best wishes from your amazing queen, Shine Francis Odige Osemigi, aka Yenonomose Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness, aka the president of the Comfortable Housewives. We love you. And Diamond says,
I love you.
and Joshua says,
I love you too.
we love you. God bless your new age. Age gracefully, in good health, long life, and prosperity. Heart you big. I wish you many more amazing, stunning, exciting, fulfilling celebration. God bless you, darling.
Your drink is not sweet.
I don't need it too sweet.
Bah.
I'm just okay. I'm cool with the taste. I don't need it too sweet. Not every time you take sweet things.
This is not song because I'm true. I beg this I know it's song. Just I beg this I wish song. Just achu. They don't say anything. Just achu. Everything is achu. I beg do this song. They are just dancing. But achu. See, boy, go and represent. I beg what kind of nonsense is this one?
Diamond is judging the musical. Diamond is
Mommy, this
judging
is
the
not
music.
music, it's actual.
It's not music, it's
It's
actually.
not music, it's actual. It's not music, I believe. Actual. They're not music, anything, that's actual. They are singing daddy. The person that sings this is not correct singer. Zazu. It's not me, Zazu be singing. Zazu be singing. It's not Zazu that singing. Not Zazu that was singing actual. Yes, what was Zazu going to be singing? Actual. Zazu like don't spend your Just don't like him, they want his money.
Have a pleasant day, guys. Happy birthday to Princess Omonomose I of Belgium. I love you. More celebrations. Had you so much. My amazing queens. So please keep a date with us. Comfortable Housewife Association of Nigeria, day after tomorrow, which is Friday, as we'll be going on our first outing for our humanitarian service. She's laughing, they're laughing.
I'm going to swim.
She's judging the song. How about you? Okay. Keep a date with us on this page, Shine Francis Odige Shine Francis Odige page. I'll be coming on live on Friday, showing you the way it is, the way it goes, successful or not. I'm going to be showing you live here on Friday on Shine Francis Odige page. So keep a date with us. We'll be coming on live, say from 11 a.m. in the morning. We'll be coming on live on Friday, 11 a.m. in the morning, to give you the live broadcast of how our humanitarian service went, our very first outing for the Comfortable Housewives Association. We'll be bringing it to your doorstep from Shine Francis Odige page, showing you how everything went. By the special grace of God, I hope it's successful. So however it goes, I'll be showing you, giving you the updates. Okay, God bless you. As many aspiring to be one of the members of the Comfortable Housewives. We now have a registration fee tagged to it. That must stop that now. Why are you messing up this place? So we now have a registration fee attached. So if you're interested, you inbox me and I will tell you our fee. God bless you. Happy birthday once again, Princess Omonomose1 of Belgium. Age gracefully in good health, long life and prosperity. Love you. Bye. Happy celebration from me and my household. Really love you.